Alright, good morning, guys.
A19 eastbound, clear signal stay down.
I think he said Q138 or Q140, I don't know which. I missed Q49. This train, you guys, that I'm out for the week. Yeah, I've been up since 11:30. Time is now 1:51 a.m. But like I said, I did miss Q49. Like I said, this train passed him, so I didn't know he was down there. So yeah, I figured he probably pulled it down. I don't know. Excuse me. Oh. I did hear dispatcher saying talking to Q422. Coincidentally, I don't know where he is, so I'm thinking he's already in Baltimore. So I have no idea. There's Fluffer had no DOT lit up. Dispatcher did say that.
CSX Equipment Defect Detector. Milepost 6.7. Track 1. No defects. No defects. Total axle 256. End of transmission.
Alright, like I said, I don't know where Q422 is, so he's probably up there somewhere. He goes north, east/north. So yeah, alright, see you guys in the next one.